I love how you look with the sunrise reflecting in your eye. When it gets too cold, I'll be chilled to the bone. I'll be the fire by your side.